Good. Yes.
Oh, okay. Sige, sige.
Yeah.
Okay. Huwag mong ano yan.
Okay. To see the guys, turn to see all the guys. Other side, Chief. To see better, see the guys there.
So, yung ganyan. And then, open. So, if you pull this yellow one, the yellow, it's automatically release the air. Okay. Tapos meron niyang ano, kunin niyo to.
Take out from the bag. Take out from bag.
This one.
Lagay sa mo.
Yeah. Take out where is your hand.
Insert nyo na yan.
Put in your hand. Here. And then
Release mo yung yellow. Yan na yun.
I-center mo sa ilaw, ano.
you breathe.
You release the yellow pin. That is the safety
ay,
pin.
hindi lang kayo umunay ko.
Ito yung safety pin
No,
niya.
it's not training. Chief.
Yellow.
Chief, it's not training.
This one? No, no. This is a spear. This is spear.
Mabuti lang yun, sir.
Oo, buti lang. For this one, then mag-automatic na siya. Mag-break na kayo. Biraw lang eh. Pero mayroon ding iba na pag open nyo, minamanual. Meron din ito, automatic to. Pagka nilay, ito, itong pula na dito. So mag-automatic naman. Ano yan? Tapos takbo na kayo, palabas.
Ilang minutes yan, sir?
10
minutes.
10 minutes.
Nakalagay.
Ito, 7 kilograms, 15 minutes.
Malayo-layo lang.